Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HubSpot to create AI-generated meeting agendas. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To update HubSpot for AI-generated meeting agendas, first, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your account settings in the top right corner. In the left sidebar menu, find the Integrations section and click on it. Under API Key, generate a new API key if you don't already have one. Copy this API key and keep it secure, as you will need it later. Next, go to the HubSpot App Marketplace from the main dashboard. Search for the AI Agenda tool in the marketplace. Choose the appropriate AI Agenda app that fits your needs and click on it. Click the Install App button to begin the integration process. Follow the prompts to authorize the app, utilizing your API key when requested. Once the installation is complete, return to your settings and locate the AI Agenda tool in the integrations list. Click on the AI Agenda tool to configure your preferences. Set your meeting parameters, such as topics and participants. Adjust the frequency setting for how often you want agendas generated. Save your changes once you have configured the settings to your satisfaction. You can now access the AI-generated meeting agendas directly from the dashboard. Schedule a meeting, and the tool will automatically create an agenda based on your preset preferences. Review the agenda for accuracy and make any necessary adjustments. Once finalized, share the agenda with your meeting participants. This setup streamlines your meeting preparation process significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.